Hi everyone. Today we have a young patient who presented with complaints of stomach pain over the past 2 months. The patient had no underlying medical conditions, and both laboratory tests and the ECG were within normal limits. An upper gastrointestinal endoscopy was performed, and the esophagus, stomach, and duodenum appeared normal with no evidence of gastrointestinal disease. A small amount of foam was seen in the stomach, which is typically related to normal gastric secretions and is not clinically significant. If other organs are functioning properly, and these symptoms are most likely functional and can be associated with stress and anxiety, which may also contribute to constipation. Overall, no organic pathology was identified. Currently, the patient has been started on PPI and anti-anxiety medication and was advised to follow a healthy diet, avoiding fast food and overeating until the next follow-up. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.